Oh man, my furnace isn't working. I'm so unhappy. I know what I'll do. I'll just call my local furnace repairman company. Hello, is this a local furnace repairman company?
Yep, it's them.
Can you fix my furnace for me?
Absolutely. It'll be about $3,000.
$3,000?
Yep.
All right. When can you be here?
As soon as I can.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Anything for my happiness.
Yeah, I got a little problem here. It's looking good. It's all fixed.
It's all fixed, but I still don't feel happy.
Stop right there. Has this ever happened to you? Spending way too much on a furnace, getting it fixed, and still not being happy? Well, we got something for you. If you call our experts down here at Furnace Company, we might know how to make you happy.
You don't have to fix your furnace to be happy.
What?
You just have to come to Evening in the Furnace.
What's that?
Follow us!
Whoa, where am I?
We're in the Fine Arts Building.
The Fine Arts Building?
This is where we do Evening in the Furnace.
Evening in the Furnace?
Yeah, it's where our comedy, improv, and dance group perform.
When can I see that?
Friday, November 3rd at 7 o'clock.
$5.
Only $5?
Yeah.
See, isn't that so much better? And it only costs $5. At 7 o'clock on Friday, November 3rd, you too could have an evening in the furnace.
Oh no. Oh no.
Did you get that?
Don't sleep on that furnace, cause boy, we hot.